friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your midweek haul. We have some Walgreens. We have a whole bunch of pennies over at the Dollar General and a little cheapie over at Meijer. So it's just a nice cross of shopping and lots of really cheap items in this video, and that's what we're aiming for in today's video. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out, especially midweek. Some of these videos sometimes get lost, so if you guys could like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first store that we're at is Walgreens, everybody's favorite. Now I know that with digital coupons, they weren't coming off. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, I was in store. I did a quick little deal and all of my digital coupons came off. Alternatively, if your digital coupons do not come off, you can always call customer service for some help. And I think they credited me for my Monday haul $17 in digitals, like missed coupons. So don't be shy to ask for a little bit of assistance. Call their customer service line or do the chat. Our first deal is with this $1.99 Walgreens razor, obviously a budget razor. And it's buy one, get one 50% off this week. And we have $1 off of each coupon. Make sure you have this guy loaded. So grabbing two of these on BOGO 50% off, that'll be $2.99. And then $2 in digitals will melt off, making it 99 cents for the two or 49 cents per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And just to let you guys know, a store coupon like that, this would actually only be a 99-cent purchase because that $2 store coupon, not going to be part of your subtotal. Hopefully that makes sense, but just be really careful with store coupons. Another store coupon deal is the 2 for $4 for the Walgreens baby wipes. And we have $1 off of each coupon that's coming off. So look for these on end caps in the regular baby aisle. If they are out at your store, they might replenish them. And this coupon is coming off of each. So grabbing two of them for $4, subtracting the 2 off 2, you will pay $2 for the two or $1 per bag of wipes, which is a really great deal for baby wipes right now. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And definitely if you are trying to stock up for a baby shower or something like that, or if you have little ones, I think $1 per bag is definitely a stock up price right now. Next deal that we're looking at is the L'Oreal Elvive. That is 2 for $10, $4 register reward when you purchase two. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So make sure you load this friend, and this is just a very straightforward basic deal. Two of these shampoos is $10. Subtracting this 3 off 2, you'll pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the two or $1.50 per shampoo, pardon me. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Elvive is one of these shampoos that a lot of us really enjoy, so this is definitely a stock up price for $1.50. Now, if you wanted to do one shampoo deal into the second shampoo deal, here's an idea. Use that $4 register reward from Elvive and throw it into this deal. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching with this Tresemme. Here it is. You're going to load it. Valid right till the 20th. That is interesting. So two of these is $12. We're grabbing the $6 product, subtracting that digital coupon, and also throw in the L'Oreal register reward. You would pay $3. Get back a $5 register reward. Smaller out of pocket if you just want to do these little baby from one to the next. It's just smart. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. I really thought that I just had this feeling that the summer stuff would go 90. It absolutely didn't yesterday, which was the 9th of September. So it's still at 80%. This one store I went to still had a huge amount of stuff. That Play-Doh kit was $1.99. I just used some Walgreens cash. And I think the Hello Kitty was like 99 cents, and that journal was like $1 and some change. Just like really adorable and cute stuff. And if your store didn't have anything marked, you might hit the mother load of this summer stuff. Lots of pool floaties, fun in the sun, that sort of stuff. Okay, let's go to the Dollar General. The first is a little coupon deal we're going to look at, and then we're going to talk about some other stuff. The first is this L'Oreal Hawaii. It's like a plug and an oil. It is $3.80. We have a $3 digital coupon, so it'll make this friend 80 cents, which is a very good deal. So if your store still might have it in the clearance section, this is one item to be on the lookout for. And with this $3 coupon, it's fantastic. And a lot of these scent oils have really, really jumped in price. Now, I've noticed that a lot of stores, they have been really sprucing up that clearance section, adding more stuff. Obviously, we're going to have another clearance event in October, and there's probably going to be one in November. So they are really like tidying it up, stocking it up. It looks just tip top. Love it. And I've noticed with a lot of it, some stores, they're putting some of those pennies that were part of a massive penny list about a month ago, and they're just putting it right back on the shelves. And I am indulging and picking all this stuff up for a penny. I will link a video at the end of some of the monster hauls that I did, but lots of like cell phone cables, little odds and ends. I'm not going to show you every UPC, but just to show you a couple that I was finding yesterday. And I think I found like 10 of these earbuds. So I did grab a couple. I actually didn't grab everything though. I left some for other shoppers. And then this, I don't know if it's a discontinued line. It's the Bic US refills. And 1 cent for that. I mean, you just can't beat that price point. Do love paying a penny for this stuff. Now, yesterday's penny list was dropped. All this stuff is a penny until it resets in the system. Big shout out and thank you to Christie's Connections and her team for putting out a video on all this magic. And I scored big. I think this is the sort of list that a lot of people were not interested in. And man, I just kept like finding stuff left, right, and center. And some of this stuff I was really, really delighted to find, especially like the Pepto-Bismol. And then just to show you, you know, where they have all the little 4th of July summer stuff, like the popsicles and stuff. Found it right on the shelf, that Margaritaville, and then a lot of these Weilers and more Margaritaville. I'm just finding it just to show you on end caps as well. And then, you know, where they have like all of the seasonal baking and it's like right near the coolers, it's another end cap. You might find a lot of this stuff tucked away there, or alternatively where they have like the medication for the Pepto, or alternatively the actual drink aisle. Look everywhere. So the first item is this Pepto-Bismol Ultra times 2. It's 5 symptoms of relief, and it is the 12 ouncer. There's an 8-ounce bottle that looks identical, but that's full price. This one's the penny. Be very careful too. A couple of them that I found had expired in 2023, so it was 2 years old. So I just handed those over to the employees. Anything expired, they have the right not to sell you the product. But some of these Peptos had an expiry date of like 2026. So excited to have a couple of those in my stockpile. And if it rings up like this in the app, 0.00, you're going to have to scan that barcode at your store. It's a penny at the register. Now we're just going to blast through some of these drinks. The Welch's Orange Pineapple, only one store I found this. It's a harder one to find. It must be really popular with people in the summertime because there was not very many of them left, and it's only some of these drinks too that pennied out. But orange pineapple, a penny, and then this weird set, it's called kiwi, lime, vanilla, lavender, and dragon fruit. Fun fact about me, the light blue one and the green one, I can't tell the colors difference, so I just remember dragon fruit and the little picture, and that's how I was trying to find them in the store, because I think somewhat colorblind over here, so I couldn't tell the difference. And anything Margaritaville, this company, they have this strawberry daiquiri one, and then they had one called Pina Colada, and they were a penny, and I found a ton of this one specifically. I don't think it was popular with shoppers. And then as I was bebopping in the store, I think I found 100 pennies. I did walk down that Halloween aisle in case some of these drinks might be tucked away on a sky shelf or something. And I found this little dollar coloring book, and it looks like one of our barn cats. Like, isn't that adorable? For $1, that would totally make any kid's Halloween so, so cute. And it looks like our cats. How adorable. store is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. And my P&G deal is held up because I'm waiting on a Fetch gift card. But when I do it, I'll share the deal probably next week. And the P&G 25 off of 75 is valid, I think, till the 16th. So we still have like all of next week to do the deal. Okay, so just to show you guys, these wipes are $6.99. We have a $5 digital coupon that is attaching, making it $1.99. To ensure that this coupon is still attaching, I recommend opening up Shop and Scan. This is a bag of 2, but to pay 99 cents per thing of Huggies wipes, it's a very good price point. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.